Okay, here we are at Carver's Gap.
Stop!
And we're getting ready to hike 3 more 6,000 foot
We're
peaks
getting ready to die.
in North Carolina.
It's really cold.
It's really cold. It's like
Snow.
there's snow.
There's
I think it's 18 degrees right now. So wish
I
us
thought it
luck.
higher to 19.
So we're on Cornelius Rex Peak.
I think that's his name.
We think that's the top. It
Also
was
known as Grassy Ridge.
Grassy Ridge, and it's gorgeous and beautiful, but a lot of ice and a lot of snow, which we had not planned on. So be prepared when you hike.
We're at Roan and this is our second peak today.
And that's our 6,000 foot peak, 6,280 feet.
Yep.
We're on our way to our next peak.
That'll be 4 out of the 40, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
This is Roan Bluff. This is the third peak of the day, and I may sound depressed, but I'm actually happy. Just cold.
Yay.
Yay.